All right, we worked today a little bit on exponent, form, expanded form, standard form. So on the first one, it's 5 to the third power, and then expanded would be 5 times 5 times 5. And if we do that, it's going to be 125, because 5 times 5 is 25, and then that 25 times 5 gets me a 125. All right, let's do this one. 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. If I want to do it in exponent form, it's going to be 6, how many times? To the fourth. Okay? And now, I'm going to 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. This is a little tricky. I'm going to use a calculator because these start to get pretty high. So I do 6 times 6. That equals 36. And then I'm going to do 6 more, or times 6 more. I'm going to get my calculator up here. Okay. 6 times 6 equals 36, times 6 equals 216, and then times another 6 equals 1,296. 6 times 6, that times 6 more, that times 6 more. Okay, gets you 1,296. Now in this one I have the standard form, 36, and I know that 36 is going to be 6 times 6, and 6 times 6 is 6 to the second power. Okay, now I have 10 to the 7th, which is 10 times, I'm just going to use a dot for that. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. Let's see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need one more. Times 10. Okay, there's expanded form. And now I'm going to do it on my calculator. 10 times 10 times 10. So I did those two, and then I did this one. Times 10. Okay, now do another one. Times 10. Do another one. Times 10 equals, there's a million. And then one more. Times 10 equals 10 million. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And the way I know that is 10 to the 7th is I put my 1 down and then I put 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. Okay, let's go 12 to the 3rd. 12 times 12 times 12. I can do the first one in my head. 12 times 12 is 144. And then I can do that times 12. Gets me to 1,728. Things that grow exponentially grow quickly. Very quickly. 81. I know that 9 times 9 is 81. So that would be 9 to the 2nd. 7 times 7 times 7 is 7 to the 3rd. 7 times 7 is 49. So that's those two. But then I got to times 49 by 7. Times 7 equals 343. And that's how you do those 3 types of form. All right, we will do more of this tomorrow. If you have any questions, we'll talk about it in class.